also has a computer chip in it that holds a series of directions to tell the internal device what to do. So on this screen, what you're looking at, it's like somebody's taken, remember how we saw it and it looked like this?
Mm-hmm.
If I put it here, you can see it better. You know how it looked like that? Well, now it's like somebody's flipped it this way and they've pulled it into a straight line. That's what you're seeing on the screen.
Oh, okay.
When Dr. Nosan did the surgery, this was the very first electrode that went inside. It's the one that's curled deep, 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 because it was the first one to go in. And this is the last electrode to go in. It's sitting right out here. So on this screen, it's like somebody's pulled that whole electrode array straight, and obviously that hasn't really happened. It's still staying curved inside her head. But to look at it and to visualize what's going on, in this view, it's like somebody's pulled it straight, and you're looking at each of the 22. And you're not seeing the ball or the plate on this. You're just seeing the 22 that are inside her head. And I always sort of think it's like the keys on a piano, because each one of these electrodes is a different note or a different sound. And if I pull this up, I'll show you what I mean. So this is the deepest electrode, electrode 22, and any sound that's between 188 and 313 cycles per second, it will pulse on that. So what kind of sounds would that be? Well, if it was a vowel sound or a voice consonant sound, there's a whole bunch of sounds that are picked up in the English language that occur in that particular frequency range. So we could go down this line and see which sounds fall between 188 and 313. Well, the NG sound does, the L sound does, the N sound does, the M sound does, and so on and so forth. So they may have other components to it, but there's some energy. Anytime somebody says ma, 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 every time they say that, this is an electrode that has to pulse to deliver that sound. But in addition to that, other electrodes have to fire as well.